you guys been doing? Huh? You guys are going to school over there? Show me how that works. What's it different? Next week? What about school in Michigan? Why didn't you guys come with Jewel?
Dragging her hair. Right clip. Come on, device.
They wanted you guys to stay.
Let's see if it opens up.
Okay.
See, just like a drag. Just like when you put a disc in there and then it's a program. That's what it's like.
Oh, so, okay. So you guys go to school over there?